Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add overlay in CapCut PC, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are going to upload an image or import an image like video in here. So I will click on import and then I will select any of the video from that place, and here you can see this is the display recording video. So I just want to add another images where I record webcam. So I will click on import and then I'll go to the download and find it out an image here. So I'll search it and this one. So I want to use this one as my webcam. So I will drag and drop. Let's select this one. Just click got it. And then I will paste it in that place and I will increase the size so it will be a good one. And then you can sync this one, like here you have the options for sync. If not, then it is not the necessary one. You can go your next work. So here once you just need to select the image and then reduce the scale, and if you want to change anything more, like you can make it rotate or you can make the border radius also. So once you feel that it is quite good, then you can easily place it anywhere you want. This way you can add overlay on your CapCut. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.